Welcome to all guys. My name is Ibtihaj. This is our first lecture. In this lecture we learn Python programming. First of all we create a Python project. Create a new project. Lecture 1. Hit create button. When project is successfully create, then we create a new Python file. Then create a new file, Python file, lecture 1. In first program we print a string. First we create a variable name message is equal to strings. Welcome to my Python course. Then print the string. Print bracket message. Hit run button. देखें. Welcome to my Python course. In second program we add two numbers. Print 10 plus 30. 40 answer. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 30. Print x plus y. Same answer. How to get numbers from users and add these numbers. Same, x is equal to integer type input from users. Input, enter first number. Y is equal to int input, enter second number. Then z is equal to x plus y. Print z. Enter first number, then first number 5, second number is 10, 5 plus 10, 15. Sum of x and y is plus str z. This is string, and plus sign is for differentiate strings and integers. Enter first number. First number is 10, second number is 30. Sum of x and y, sum of x and y is this. That's all for this lecture. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon.